Statins. Introduction. LDL is also known as bad cholesterol because it can clog the arteries. Select true or false. Correct. LDL, or low-density lipoprotein, is known as bad cholesterol because it can clog the arteries. HDL is the good cholesterol that carries LDL out of your blood. Statin medications can slow plaque formation in the arteries. Select true or false. Correct. Statin medications can slow plaque formation in the arteries. They interfere with the production of cholesterol. Muscle pain and tenderness are common side effects of statin use. Select true or false. Correct. Statins may cause muscle pain and tenderness. The higher the dose you take, the more likely you are to have muscle pains. Once you begin to take a statin, you'll most likely be on it for the rest of your life. Select true or false. Correct. When you begin to take a statin, you'll most likely be on it for the rest of your life, but if you experience side effects, you may want to talk to your healthcare provider. Ask about decreasing your dose or trying a different statin. Some healthcare providers prescribe statins to reduce inflammation of the blood vessels. Select true or false. Correct. Statins may be used as an anti-inflammatory to help stabilize the lining of the blood vessels. This could benefit the brain and heart as well as blood vessels and organs throughout the body. Thank you for using Explain.